Welcome back to another video of UNWINVER. In this video we're going to be taking a look at Windows XP Delta Edition, which is made by Skye over Twitter and also available as a side project on Rectify with Discord server. Be sure to follow them and join the server. This UNWINVER aims to restore features that are from Windows Whistler or Windows XP beta builds. Will it successfully delivering those? Keep watching to find out. So, finally we are on the Windows 10 desktop. Not really desktop, but I'm opening Microsoft Edge right now just to make you taking a look at what this UNWINVER source from. Windows XP Delta Edition Beta 1 is now available for download from the website. So, this is recently released or kinda built because yes, the description is still Beta 1, but from now I just use the release term because I don't want to make things complicated right now. So this is the preview right now. Taking a look at the view, this is Windows XP RTM, but with the interface are coming from the Windows XP Beta Edition, such as the Whistler 2267 or the 2419 or 2428 and 2465 and any other. So all the features that are from features or interface or anything that are from Windows Beta is coming to this mod / UNWINVER. So now, if we're gonna be taking a look at the website right now, xpdelta.weebly.com, Windows XP Delta Edition, the Delta experience starts here. Welcome to Windows XP Delta Edition. So I'm just gonna read the description. It's modification of Windows XP which aims to recreate the Windows XP Beta 2 aesthetics and bring back lost features, function and program from the previous version of Windows, along with pre-release versions of Windows XP. So this states more customization and more consistency. As you see in the website, it describes the Windows XP Delta Edition as like based on Windows XP 2 aesthetics. So now here is the early Luna as we saw in build 2428, and here is the watercolor theme which is from Windows XP build between 2410 and 2419. Now, if we're going to scroll back again, this Windows XP, the RTM version, as we know, the familiar Luna one, and now this is the classic one, and the next one is old program modernized. So also bring back programs that are and function that of course didn't make it into the Windows XP RTM version and or just somewhat unused. It is revamped to match the Windows XP interface, including, as we saw in here, Program Manager, the Welcome Applet, Windows Media Player 6.4 and Windows Media Player 95, and so many more. More compatible out of box or the newer upgrade from Windows. So this UNWINVER is capable to upgrade from Windows NT version 3.51. Now, if we go into the About here, so of course some note, and we're gonna read some frequently asked questions. What is the product key known? So Skye didn't provide the product key because in order to keep this project legal, but if you have the Windows XP volume license key, which I have thanks to the server that someone gave the product key, Skye addressed similarity between the Windows XP Delta Edition and Windows 2002, but they say in this website that, well, the Windows XP Delta Edition is something that entirely different from Windows XP Delta Edition. And yeah, so the credits, this is the main developer, Skye the Weeb, and designer, Nell Nelly, and Pastelia Pinky, as we know in the Rectify with Discord server, sound designer, visual style, logo UI, and yeah, there are some people that testing the beta, such as we are familiar, Operan 502R, and Dominic Hayes, the Linux dude, or as we know in this website, FaronOS Dev, because Dominic Hayes developed a Linux distribution called FaronOS, and special thanks to the Rectify Win Discord server, because the server is kinda like the center of the development. Kinda, remember me, it's kinda. This is the download link, no, download link, it is the preview, and this link will direct you to the archive doodle page. And I know the download speed is hey nitty hey, and yeah, I tried to download it, but it take, well, 1 hour, 1.5 hour. And now we're going to take a look at the preview because Skye uploaded the trailer thingy on YouTube. So if we're gonna scroll, so don't get me wrong, this is the beta 2 is feature from beta 2 that are brought to this beta 1, so don't get confused with the beta terminology. Now, and as you can see here, much more customization and consistency. We're gonna be taking a look at later. So the Delta experience starts here. This XP Delta Edition Beta 1 available right now. Download and learn. So yeah, I just commented right now because I want to check this out fast, and I want to do, I'm about to do. So we're gonna close the Microsoft Edge tab, and we're going on the VMware virtual machine, and let me just try open it on. So before I turn on the virtual machine, I'm just gonna show you the announcement kinda that is in Rectify Win Discord server. Now, Skye uploaded the video, and of course we are just reacting, and no, just don't make that joke. I know the Delta is interfering with something something that has a Delta, but don't get confused because I thought about it. Ronak just confused with the beta 2 look, just as I explained to you earlier. And yeah, I commented that gotta try this again. So the project is kind of updated through the Rectify on Discord server. Join the server and also join my Discord server. Come on, it's only 78 members. On our way to 100 members. Right, so we're gonna move the Discord server window into here, and we're going to install Windows XP Delta Edition. I'm gonna get this fast, and then a CD-ROM drive, and then press any key to boot from CD, which is a typical Windows XP installation, which takes place on the assembly version, not like graphical as you would like to see in this Vista, because Windows XP hasn't developed that yet. What the hell? No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. A problem, blah. Come on! I just want to install this, and it's already blue scripted already. Now, probably I just gonna turn off this first, and yeah, some of the UNWINVER or Windows mode is interfering with this special UNWINVER VM. I don't know why. So we're going to go to Windows XP Professional and then do a CD-ROM drive, and because this is special VM for Windows XP, but it is a Windows XP Service Pack 3, not intentionally to do anything to do with Windows XP mod / UNWINVER or bootleg. Right, so we're going to install Windows XP Delta Edition. I hope this won't be blue scripted again, as what we saw in just a few minutes ago and in the bootleg video, because I tried to install Windows XP bootleg and it ended up blue scripted, and yeah, that's unfortunate. Setup is starting Windows. Alright, Windows XP Delta Edition setup. Now, I don't want to install, well, because this is the previous copy with the bootleg, and you'll see this format in NTFS. Now it will format 20 gigabytes, and I'll probably just with the power of editing, because I just too lazy to wait so long. Alright, so checking drive C. Now it will copy some files. Now I'll snap my fingers and it will be instantly in the second phase of the setup. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so here we are in the boot screen of Windows XP Delta Edition. Now we are in the second phase of the setup. this is obviously based from Windows XP Service Pack 3 because I already know Service Pack 3 has this kind of thing before the setup actually runs. As of right now, for the product key, I can't show it to you because in order to keep the project legal, so we are in a product key. So I'm just gonna insert one, but I can't show it to you. But I just basically showing you that inserting the Windows XP volume key license will work, and I'll just do it with a snap. Yeah, so this eventually works, and I'll type in my administrator password. No, the sun is a dead laser. And now I'll snap again, or probably I just don't do that. Oh no. We are in the third phase of setup, or OOBE if you wanna count. Yes, now we are totally in the OOBE. Gonna monitor, and please wait, but I don't have to really wait that long because I'm in a virtual machine. So now, oh goodness, oh goodness, I thank myself that I record this. Oh my gosh, the Merlin is coming instead of the help sign. Good job, Skye. I like this. The Merlin is on the OB, making it to the final one. Right, so even though I didn't use it, but I still like that. I'm still liking that Merlin is in the OOBE. Skip and then no at this time. Alright, so I'm making the user everything Windows. Now I'm going to next and then finish. Alright, so even though, yeah, the OOBE is much shorter. What? That is so much different than the original Windows XP startup sound. And there it is, the applying your personal settings and the welcome. Two of that is in there. First look, this is exactly like what Windows XP build 2428 to be precise, or maybe in earlier version which we haven't got the ISO just yet. Right, so we're gonna install the VMware tools. I'm going to computer, XP Delta, right? So getting VMware tools for the installation, and now we're going to snap my fingers again in order to fasten the setup because I know this isn't make sense, but because the power of editing, there we go. So the VMware is finished installing, and for the last time we're gonna, oh, the sound is cut off, just it lags because Windows XP expect that. Now we're gonna shut down. Welcome, loading the settings. Oh wow, so it directs me to the desktop. Right, so we're going to the UNWINVER, or the run logo is the running man instead of the running like a window. So WinVer. Now Windows XP Delta Edition version 5.1. Yes, this is based from Windows XP Service Pack 3. Now we're going to first I wanna say this is beta on the Windows XP Service Pack 3 because at first glance this is Windows XP build 2428, but I already know this is Service Pack 3 packed with beta features. Now we're going to right click and then properties, then yeah, so the display in here, the theme is from Windows XP Luna. And while we're in here, yeah, there are some themes that we're gonna take a look at, but first we're going to do to see some themes or some applications from Windows XP beta that didn't make it into the final version. And yeah, welcome to Windows. This is Windows XP Delta Edition. Getting started, and yeah, things are in here. So this didn't make it to the final version of Windows XP because it is replaced with the Windows XP setup dialog or setup window. As you know, there are 3 versions of Windows XP 2R. Now, this with the Flash version, yeah. This version, as we know, in the Whistler 241X. This is a link which will direct you to nothing because it is from beta. Now, we are going to the Windows XP Tour, the beta 2 version. This is the different version, of course. We'll close this. Skip the intro, and here, start here is different, and then the audio logo is different. Then, so it's not the to beginner tool. Click any selection, so it directly shows you to the button. The red one, the green one, yeah. So there is no text, but if you hover over it, there is the text, and then in here, and so in here. Now we're going to start here. Windows XP Basics, and there is the logo. Yeah, this is Beta's mistake. Now icons, taskbar, start menu, folders. Yeah, we're gonna close this, and then we are going to see the final version of Windows XP Tour. Yeah, as we know, we don't need to see that again. Now, but first I have to clear type this, because why not? We're going to Windows, yeah, Whistler and the Windows XP theme, which has the final Luna theme. But before I want to do that, I want to open at least one program just to see the difference. Oh, Windows Movie Maker. Yeah, I absolutely want that. Yeah, right here. And then we're going to open Windows Media Player. Yeah, Windows Media Explorer Player 9. The icon is different from the final version of Windows XP WMP. Open this and take a look at the taskbar because it's from beta, and the taskbar isn't locked because see here, the taskbar isn't locked, and we're going to apply the Windows XP final Luna theme, but the icon, as you see, the icon isn't changing because this is based from the aesthetics of Windows XP Beta 2. And then we're going to apply the watercolor, which I absolutely like. Apply, yes, right, and then the Windows Classic, apply. But just for the sake of this aesthetic, we're going to apply the Whistler theme. What about the desktop background? We're going to the beginning. Professional, this is from the Whistler. What the heck? This is different one. Stretch. Alright, so this is the different version because yeah, the Windows XP, the actual one is of course the Windows XP logo bent into like white stuff, and then the Windows XP professional text is in here. Going to Windows XP 2465 because it has the different kind of Windows wallpaper, the screensaver. We're going to the logo to preview Delta Edition, as we know. I'm going to the Starfield. Yeah, this is the same one, but flying Windows. What the heck? What? I didn't know this is in XP though. Maybe this is exclusive in the Delta Edition. To Visa, yeah, Windows 3D text, Microsoft Windows, of course. The appearance, first, the Whistler style. Of course we know. The watercolor, of course we know. And the Windows XP style, of course we know. So, instead of this saying like blue, olive green, and silver, the color scheme named those as the beta version. Like, Homestead is, of course, the... Oh, come on, load. The olive green, and Metallic is the silver. Oh no, why is it so slow? Going to blue because, yeah, same, and no, why is it so slow? My memory isn't that much full. To Windows Media Player, right, going to Windows Movie Maker. Here, The logo, I was intrigued by the run. The logo is the running man instead of the running window. Now, there are two versions of this Movie Maker, of course, because Windows Movie Maker version 1.0, perhaps version 1.1. Maybe this version 1.0. Let's take a look at it. Oh yes, I absolutely wrong. Thank you, Mr. Captain Obvious to myself. I thought it was version 1.0 that from Windows ME, but no, this is version 2.1. Thank you to myself, you are a stupid one. We're going to do a startup. Yeah, there is a startup, but so the games probably isn't that different because Windows XP has these. I'm going to do system tools, probably the same. Entertainment, Windows Media Player, we already saw that. Communications, accessibility, probably the same. Okay, we're going to the maybe in the control panel there are some differences. Alright, so first thing that I want to point out, this one in here is missing, and second, the appearance sentence is different. The text A is not in the final. The final one is the with the paint palette or the paint, what do you want to call it, whatever. Like there is in here something different. And network location, programs, and then going to switch to classic view to view more logos. Touch on the start menu. Yeah, this is the from beta 1, and then I hope Skye included the ability to slide from bottom to the top as we saw in Whistler 2.28. No. Oh no, I don't think Skye included that because that isn't available there. It requires coding, right? It is different. Yeah, maybe user accounts. Maybe that is some difference. Well, first one, I pretend I didn't know, but the chest background is not red, it's blue because in the beta version it's blue. I'm going to change my picture. Yeah, there are some differences. Now, this isn't orange, I know. Probably green, if I am correct. Let's see if I can spot some differences. And yeah, I think this is green, not blue. And I think this kinda not blue, but maybe I am wrong. I can guess some, but not all. Maybe you can read me. Right. So the alteration extras. Maybe we can go to install some extras right now. When you first blah 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 blah. Maybe I have to maybe already I already insert this because to install it. Alright, run the post install script. Welcome, used to copy extras. If you want to install, you should not eject. Yes. Yeah, I think it's the same one. Oh, no, there's something different. The Windows Media Player, version 6.4 and Windows Media Player 95. So Skye's right. I have to run the post install script. Now we're going to take a look at the Windows Media Player 95. Yeah, this is from Windows 95, the Windows Media Player, but from Windows 95. Now we're going to do Flourish, because why not? It previously is my intro song. Right, now stop. We're going to say Windows Media Player version 6.4. Yeah, this is an earlier version from Windows 2000 or Windows ME. Windows Player 6.4.6.4.09.1130 from 1999. We're going to test things. Browse my computer. See, no, I probably didn't have that. Alright, so maybe you can just... Oh, I can't do that. Program Manager. Can I run that? Progman. I think, yeah, I'm right. Go to File, New, Personal Program Group, then maybe just accessories. Yeah, it is in there. Going to options window. Can I add program item? Yes. And then browse. Going to do system 32. See Windows system 32. Calc. Where is calc? Calc. And then description. Count dude. Yeah. Working directory. No. It's okay. Yeah. I thought that it just the calculator, but and we hover over it, it just says count dude, but the title says count dude. Alright, so if we double click it and then calculator is there. I'm going to do for release notes, right? The auto run and thingy, right? So shelling UI, as we know, as we see, change inconsistent, and then themes and customization. Right, so I'm right. Olive green and silver renamed to Homestead and Metallic. 2 new visual styles, and then yeah, small bug fixes as we say. Alright, so chess, trip, guitar, and skater. I am right. See that? Right? I am right. Oh, what? 3D maze? Is it in there? What? 3D maze. Reveal. Oh yes, that's there! From Windows 95! Right. Get it. Existing programs. Internet 6 is a new about bitmap. Oh yeah, because I haven't checked it out. Right, so this is the newer version. Oh what? Sample pictures? Sample pictures? Sample pictures. Ah, Blue Hills Crew, Mountain Vista, Orange Korean, Sail, Canyon, Sunset, Server. Oh no, I confused it. Server, but with no. I'd rather not talk. And winter. Maybe I've tried to explore all features that are in this, especially in beta 1, because there are maybe Skye will update this UNWINVER / Windows mod to a newer version, which I probably will make an update for it. What do I think of this UNWINVER / Windows mod? This is something that actually is amazing, and aside from Windows 2002, Windows Messy, which we take a look at earlier in a few different video of everything Windows, and amongst all other UNWINVER, this is something that actually amazed me. Skye is right. This UNWINVER brings the aesthetic of beta 2, which I actually want since the 2020 with the episode of A Windows Beta Explorer, Windows XP build 2.4.28. This is actually what I want, but probably Skye will fix it in the future releases. And we're going to start, turn off, or no, oh no, I disappointed actually, because the Windows Beta 2 has, you know, instead of fading to black, it is like white with the stairs pattern from left to the right. You know Skye, you know what I mean. But probably Skye will fix it in the beta 2. And we're going to stand by, turn off and restart, turn off, and I'll see you next time in the next video of everything Windows. See you next time. Goodbye.